Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the Principal Audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We just wanted to make this video to touch base with our patients, just to make sure you're all doing okay during these troubling and uncertain times. We also wanted to assure you that Audiology Associates will remain open during the Firebreak lockdown. Audiology has been classed as an essential medical service, which means that you can safely travel for appointments at our clinics in Cardiff or Ebervale. You can attend our clinics for wax removal. If you have tried some drops and it hasn't removed the wax for you, then by all means give us a ring or email us to make an appointment. If you've also noticed any changes in your hearing, you can come in and see us to have a hearing test done. If you want to contact the clinic, you can either email us at info@audiologyassociates.co.uk or you can ring one of the clerking team on 01495 651 232. Please don't suffer in silence. Come and see us here in clinic if you need us, and rest assured there will always be a friendly voice on the other end of the phone. Take care of yourselves, everybody, and one another, and if you need us, don't hesitate to call.